One of the last things we're going to do on getting this car ready for April 22nd, it's coming awful quick, is try to put this brand new Brawler 750 mechanical secondaries in place of the 670 Holley Street Avenger. Well, there's no time like the present. Let's get started. I'm not so much expecting this Brawler to outperform the 4779 750 Holley double pumper, but I am hoping it runs equal to it. If you're wondering why I'm replacing the 670 Holley vacuum secondary with a 750 double pumper, it's because I had a 750 double pumper on here. I borrowed it for drag truck for the last couple of years, and this has sat with this on it just so I could turn the key and drive it. So I'm just trying to put a 750 double pumper back on here. I wanted to leave that one on drag truck, so I bought a cheap Brawler and we're going to put it on there. First things is take off the kick down, then the throttle linkage. I'll forget where that went. And then the other second return springs. You need 2 return springs. They like that at the dragway for pass and tack. And then our PVC holes. Now the only thing that's left is 4 bolts and a fill line. We're going to lose a little bit of fossil fuel. And then we'll just quickly break these loose. And it should be upsy daisy. If you're wondering what intake this is, it's an Edelbrock RPM Performer, but it's not the air gap. I'm already offended. They gave me an electric choke. All right, we'll get some bolts started here. This has more tuning than any carburetor I've ever had. It's got all the usuals, plus it's got this up here and inside there, and we got tunage everywhere. Next, I'm just gonna break these screws here loose, and I'm gonna pin this choke wide open and tighten her back up. There we go. They actually gave you 2 holes down here for the bottom. I'm using the one that's straight down because that's how it was on the old Holley. You can get these at Jag Summit or O'Reilly's or pretty much any place. So we can hook up our springs. And I want to make sure that we got adjustment on this. Let's go all the way. Ooh, that's all the way open. All right, I'm going to say I can adjust this up a little bit. I just want about just a little bit back there is all. Now we're going to do something real critical. I'm going to have my wife floor it, and then I'm going to make sure it's coming wide open. This should bottom out. I'll show you. Go ahead. Is that it? And it is pinned. Okay, let up. All the vacuum ports came covered, so, but I just pulled that one off so I could hook up my PVC. And now we're ready to start it. And the only thing I really got to look for is fuel coming out of here, here, and over here at my fittings. It'll probably happen. Usually does. I'll give it a little bit of something to get started with. Now I expect it to start, die, because there's no fuel in the floats, and then we'll get it going. Go ahead. Okay, try again. Okay, hold on. We're good now. Go ahead. Well, let's examine for some leaks. Nothing there. Nothing there. Right out of the box. Work this accelerator pump. Come on, come on. There we go. Is this fuel injection? So we'll make sure it's going to shift properly. Perfect. Perfect. Right out of the box. I didn't have to do anything thus far. So there's no leaks. The only thing I've really done for performance is lighten it up 90 pounds. Until next time, thanks for tuning in.